everybody, this is Soya. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have done a video. There's a lot of things going on right now. I live in California, but this is going around the world, as you guys already know. I don't think I need to go into any details. So pretty much right now we are at home, and I have actually been working on a special project where I have been making masks because I do have a sewing machine and I am kind of sewing literate, I guess. I don't want to say literate because that's for reading, I believe, but I do know how to use a sewing machine. And so I've actually been pretty busy making masks because I think they're really important. A lot of them are running out. This is totally off topic, but so this is what I've been working on. And that's pretty much what I'm doing from now on. I'm trying to do this, and I mean, there's so many tutorials for these online. That's the reason why I'm not trying to do a tutorial, because I'm not trying to do tutorials for masks or anything like that. But that's kind of what I've been working on, and that's the reason why I haven't posted any new videos. But I actually got tagged by one of my friends to do the Barely Arts cards for Cubs giveaway. I'm doing it more for the cards, to be honest. So it looks like they're asking for crafting cards for foster children, and I'm gonna be making, I think I committed to either 2 or 3. I think I said 2, but I'm gonna actually work on 3 just because I want to make sure I just send out more. If I'm able to do more before the day that I send them out, I'm definitely gonna do that. And if you want to know what the giveaway is about, just go to Barely Arts on Instagram, and it will tell you. The actual picture is, like I said, it says Cards for Cubs, and it kind of tells you the directions on what you would need to do in order to enter the giveaway. They are running it all the way through today, which is March 23rd. But I did go to their website, and I believe they are going to stretch out the date longer. And actually, I'm going to do that right now so I can check, because I wanted to do it, and I was like, I just got tagged yesterday, so I didn't know about it. But the website does say that they're stretching it out. So let me, just because of the mail, and they did say if you don't feel that it's safe, go ahead and wait until it's safe for you to send them. So they actually extended it to April 30th. So this is going to be going on until April 30th, because they want to provide us all time if we're interested in making them, for us to be able to make them and send them out. So that is really cool. Like I said, I did sign up for it, and just go, you can also go to their website, and I'm over here trying to open it up just to show you guys. Nope, that's not where I wanted to go. But definitely go to Barely Arts, and that's BEARLYARTS. And this is a glue. This is pretty much the glue, and I had bought this already on Instagram. No, I had bought it on Amazon because I couldn't find the other glue that I usually use. So I ended up getting this one, and it's actually not that bad. The last few projects that I've posted, I have used this glue. So this was my original other glue that I used, and I actually labeled the other bottle with this little cat washi because I wanted to make sure that I knew which one was which. But actually, like I said, and I'm going to use this glue specifically for this project because it is something that they are the ones, promoting. So just go ahead and go to their website as well. If you go to their Instagram, there is a link. And I'll also put it in the description box. That way you know that it's the one that you should be going to. But they have it at Barely, BEARLY.art/pages/cards. I'm trying to see if I could see the rest, but I can't. Cards for Cubs. So yeah, so the end is Barely.art/pages/cards for Cubs. So pretty much that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. And I ended up choosing, I don't know what this is, but it looks like it was like Valentine's Day type of theme cards, and that's what I picked. I don't know where it came from. I know it might have been a paper pad, or maybe it was like a set that I bought. But that's what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use these 3. So this one's just blank, and I think I'm gonna either put a word right here or a stamp. And then this one just says all you need is love, and then this one's also gonna be blank. I'm gonna probably put hello on the other 2, and then just pretty much you're writing a little message. They are requesting for ages, I believe 8 to 18. It is for foster children. So they're just asking us to send out a message, an uplifting message for those foster children. It is sad to see that a lot of these children are forgotten, and they just want us to be able to provide something to make their day. So that's what I'm going to work on in this video. If you want to see how the cards turn out, just keep on watching.